you're here for, bud. Thanks. New spot. Not sure what to think of this place, but we're in the woods. You look around, it's so much woods. It's so different than the island. The island's just like full of either live pine or I don't even know what the other ones are. They're like baldwin. Got it on standby just in case, especially after the feeder fell in. So you'll probably see that on the Took some bacon, we had some nachos. It was pretty fairly plain, there was just some cheese. That's pretty close. Pretty close. See if that came down, put land there, so just put that in our camp, so I'm okay with that. That stuff here, I went and like swung off of it, and I did everything I could to break it, just to make sure that we're not going to have a situation where that breaks on us. But pretty cool little campsite. Kind of in a little, I don't know, in a little valley almost. Down the hill.
Search and rescue exercise, or I think it's a real deal actually. We are in the middle of the woods in a valley, pretty hard to find actually, so you know we got quite the little summer residence, mission 1 to location scout, and we're pretty happy with what we have here to work with. So we hope everyone's okay, whatever's going on right there with the ambulances and helicopters. So we're just trying to get the moisture out of the bacon. That's what I'm doing. Trying to get the moisture out of it.
How's the bacon coming, my friend?
It's coming good, buddy.
Thanks, I'll take over.
Just trying to get the moisture out of it. It's good.
Oh yeah, I think just drain it down again. Drain some more salt.
So the camp has a pretty long trail to get in. It wasn't easy. We had to come down this hill. And you can see the footprints down this ridge. And then over the bank. And it was a good kilometer walk in at least. So as you can see, we're pretty in the middle of the woods here. Mark doesn't cook often, if ever, so this is great. We're pretty happy with this. So first look of our new land camp. It's going to be a month next Saturday, and that we haven't been to the island. Mark's pretty hungry by now, so these are our trails. A little bit of a trek in, and hard to find, and that's really good. So lots of wood, lots of good wood. Clean fire, lots of heat. So that's looking good. And we'll just wrap that in tinfoil and we'll get the eggs going. And we're going to attempt fried eggs, and then we're going to attempt an omelet.
They'll end up a scrambled mess, but whatever. Oh, I just gotta get out of the smoke for a second here.
A lot of smoke. It's good. Great fire. We got half a log fire going with, you know, the 50-inch tree helps. The debut of my new radio.
What happened? Why would you take it?
Fix that here.
There we go. There's two for that.
We're still trying to find us. You can hear the helicopters.
I know, right?
We're pretty far in the woods.
Well, if they're out, if a helicopter's out and sees the smoke, but there's not a whole lot of smoke coming off of this.
Right. We are kind of in a valley.
Yeah.
We are elevated a little bit. So.
Well, I haven't seen any helicopters hover above trying to rescue us yet, so.
That's looking great. Awesome. That's looking really good. Good work. And we still have one nacho pack, and we're learning with that. So one to test and one to enjoy. And it's all about the money sauce. If you haven't heard, this is even on bacon. Even on bacon. And we'll be back.
Heartland.